Time to stamp your videos. We're editing our custom player preset because a watermark set here covers every player that uses it. In the watermark section, flip it on. One note, autoplay won't work while the watermark is enabled. Then choose what to stamp, the viewer's email, their username, or any custom text. We'll use the email. Every signed-in viewer gets their own. Pick a color that stays readable on your footage. Update the preset. Save the page and over to the front end. And the payoff. The viewer's own email stamped on the footage, always moving so it can't be cropped out. If a recording leaks, it points straight back to the account. Classic editor users. Same 3 settings in the watermark tab. Courses and paid screeners.